Here is a quick little recipe to make for your grandchildren, which is what I did, or maybe even your children, or to take to a party, or hey, just for yourself. But we're going to start off with a half a block of softened cream cheese and 3 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar. Go ahead and mix that together in a bowl. Set that aside and pop open a can of crescent rolls. I find it's easiest just to use a plate. Just drop those crescent rolls onto a plate, and we are just going to cut these into about a 1 inch to 1.5 inch slice, just like that. You will need a baking sheet, and make sure to oil that baking sheet, and you are going to put that crescent roll on the baking sheet and just make a little pocket, like just a concave little pocket, to put your cream cheese and powdered sugar filling in it. Then drop a few berries on top, and I'm using blueberries. This will yield 10 danishes. Then we're just going to pop this in the oven that's preheated to 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. And voila, this yummy treat is ready to be served. My granddaughter loved these. I did too, y'all. They were so good and so simple to make.